going on, guys? Welcome to my first video, and this is not how I expected it to be. I did not expect my first video to be about my car, but I guess this is what's gonna be. So I just went to O'Reilly's, and as you guys can see, my check light is blinking. My car is 2007 Audi A4 2.0 T, and I got the check light scan because I don't know what the heck was wrong. Something's been wrong for the past like 3 weeks, but since I was in school, since I wasn't going to school, and I was just working, I didn't really pay attention to it. But I started school in a week and a half, so now I kind of gotta like fix it. I went to go check it out to see what it was, and apparently I have a misfire on cylinder 1, and something about I forgot what it is, but I have the picture of the codes, and I'm gonna go look it up inside, see what it is, and see if I can figure out what's wrong. So this is the 2 codes I got. The first one's a cooling system performance code, and the second one is the cylinder misfire, which I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong. And I'm gonna try to find the exact code online and see if I can figure out what exactly it's is causing the misfire. I remember I got. Oh, hold on. There's a car passing by. I remember I got my code scanned before, and it was some guy we know. He's a mechanic, and he switched I forgot which coils he switched because it had said misfire already, but I forgot which ones he switched. I don't even think this one. Oh, that one's 2. This one's 4. Oh, fuck, it's kind of hot. So this one's 4, and this one's 2, and this one's 1. But I can't remember which code or which one it said whenever he scanned it. So I'm not sure if he switched. I think it was these 2, but I might be wrong. So now I gotta find that out. But I'm pretty sure he switched these because I think it has said on cylinder 3. But then again, cylinder 1's always like the first one. That's what I saw right now. Or there has to be something. But I'm not 100% sure if he switched these 2 or it might have been these. But I'm pretty sure it's these. So now I have to find out which ones he switched. Which I'm not sure if it matters because I'm probably gonna end up changing all the spark plugs. But yeah, now I have to find out what's wrong. My small turbo. Well, yeah, guys, that's the problem. Paul's car is right there, so I'm gonna do a cold start on this. So here it goes. Care, but he has a 2018. I'm pretty sure it's a 2018. It might be 2017, but I'm pretty sure it's a 2018. 2018 Dodge Charger SRT. The Scat Pack. You guys can tell he has the B, or is it a B? It's the B. The Alcantara seats. It's pretty bad. I wish he would let me take this to the store, but he's not gonna let me drive this. So just a little update on my car. My mechanic that usually works on my car that I talked about earlier came and he looked at it, and my battery died again, so I'm probably gonna have to buy a battery. But yeah, he came and we switched the coils, and he's gonna scan it again to see if the misfire happens where we're on the cylinder 3, I think, is where we switched it now. So we're gonna check again, and if it's that, then that means the coil on cylinder 3, I believe, is bad. So I'm gonna buy the coil for that. And I also have another code, and he said it's most likely the thermostat. So it's like three or 4 days, no, I think like 3 days after I filmed the other clips, and my car is now working. So what my mechanic works on my car did, we switched the coils, and the misfire switched to cylinder 1. So that means what's it called? Oh, my seatbelt's on. What that meant was that the coil was bad, so we switched one of the coils, and then we just turned it on, and now my car's back and running. So I can't remember which one exactly we switched, but it was this one, because this is the one that doesn't have a number. So we switched this one, and that solved the problem. That was what was causing the misfire, and yeah. And my battery is actually pretty sure just because I'm driving around, so it's recharging. So that's been it, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.